Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through setting up a professional automated email signature inside your Gmail account in under a minute. First, open up your web browser, head to Gmail, and look at the very top right corner of the screen to click on the gear icon. Next, click on See All Settings to open up the main configuration dashboard and make sure you stay right on the General tab. Scroll down quite a bit until you find the Signature section and click on the Create New button to type a name for your layout. Now, type out your name, your job title, or link your social media profiles inside the formatting box, and you can even upload a custom company logo image right here. Before you leave, look just below the text box and change your signature defaults for both new emails and replies, so it actually appears automatically. Finally, scroll all the way to the very bottom of the page and click Save Changes to seal the deal. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.